Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you getting that super frustrating, unable to write into user settings error in Visual Studio Code? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it by completely resetting your setup back to its factory defaults. It's a really straightforward process, so let's jump right into it. All right, first things first, make sure you completely close out of Visual Studio Code if you have it open on your screen. Now, we need to access your hidden application data. Press the Windows key and the letter R at the exact same time to open up your Run dialog box. In that Run box, you're going to type a specific path. Type %, then the word app data, all one word, another %, \code, \again, and the word user. Once you have that typed out, hit enter. This opens up the folder where all your personal configuration data lives, including your global storage and workspace settings. To completely factory reset your application and fix that writing error, you need to select every single folder and file in this window and delete them all. So if you also want to completely clear out your extensions and start totally fresh, open up that Run box one more time. This time, type %user profile, all one word, another %, the period in front of VS Code, another \, and finally the word extensions. Hit enter, and just like before, delete every single folder inside that window. All right, you're fully reset. Go ahead and open Visual Studio Code again. You should immediately see the welcome screen, exactly like it looked the very first time you install the application. And that is it. Your settings error is completely gone. If this troubleshooting guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know if everything is working smoothly now, and I will catch you in the next one.